born to flex. Yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets. I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the
It don't make no sense how even hairstylists don't even know how to do my hair right. Should never fall back like this. Never got. Like, she left all this edges out and my whole front, like, for baby hair. No hair left out at all. None. I'm gonna fix my part up and all of that, you know, when I get together. But, like, you're not out. Like, really, you don't. Your hair gonna grow anyway, so when it do, you know, you can lay them edges. This is how secure your closure should be. Look at this. You don't see no lift. Now, on this side, I have not sewed down. It should not. Can never go wrong with wine curls. As I go.